Everyone loves the sound of rain against a window. It's the ultimate sleep aid. But what happens when that sound never stops? Not for a day, not for a week, but for 720 hours straight. If it rained non-stop for 30 days, the world wouldn't just be wet, it would be fundamentally broken. Week 1. The sponge fails. In the first 48 hours, the Earth's natural filter breaks. Once the soil reaches its full saturation point, the ground stops acting like a sponge and starts acting like concrete. Every single drop becomes surface runoff. In cities, storm drains, designed for temporary surges, back up instantly. By day 7, your streets aren't just flooded, they are rivers of toxic waste as sewage systems overflow into the fresh water supply. Week 2. The foundation collapse. By day 10, the disaster moves underground. This is the era of soil liquefaction. When ground stays waterlogged, the pressure between soil particles causes solid earth to behave like a liquid. Foundations that have stood for centuries will begin to shift, skyscrapers will tilt, and entire hillsides will simply dissolve into catastrophic landslides. Your home isn't just flooded anymore, it's literally sliding off the map. Week 3. The biological siege. By day 20, the sun is a distant memory. Your serotonin levels, the chemical responsible for your happiness, will crater, leading to a state of profound rain fatigue. While you wither, the fungi thrive. Inside your home, humidity hits 100%, turning your walls into a breeding ground for toxic black mold. As you breathe in the spores, the global food supply is also gasping for air. Most crops drown after just a few days of wet feet, triggering a total agricultural reset. Day 30. The final math. Let's look at the numbers. At a heavy, consistent rate of 10 millimeters per hour, a month of rain totals 7.2 meters, or 23 feet of water. That is high enough to submerge the first 2 stories of almost every building on Earth. Coastal geography is redrawn, the global economy is underwater, and civilization is forced into a permanent retreat to the highlands. The bottom line. We live on a planet that depends on the pause between the clouds. Without it, the very thing that gives us life becomes the thing that washes us away.